Take this off. There's no honey up here. Okay, maybe starting to put some in. Yeah, you can see there, bees are putting it in.